ask that you give him good health, you give him wisdom, and all those leaders behind him. He does well in whatever we'll be doing. We have a beautiful...
The same, end of quote. Verification Committee, in keeping with our national...
Omolo, Mulondo.
The credibility of government is going to be respected in every sense. And I think with that respectability, we are going to, at least in a small way, start showing that the government is serious about resuscitating the economy. In fact, it is part of a small way of pumping back a very needed capital into the productivity.
First, they will scrutinize and analyze all the existing stock of government pending bills submitted to the committee. They will advise on reforms and measures that will ensure future accumulation of pending bills is avoided, just like the PS has said.
This has created a management problem in every state department because every year you have to struggle with pending bills that interferes with the budgetary allocations. We are therefore very grateful that the people of Kenya will see a very serious undertaking for the first time in a long time to sort out this problem once and for all.
We are going to start with this year, and we have sent to Parliament an adjustment to the budget so that the pending bills that would have come into this year are sorted out. And 77 billion odd of pending bills, we have instructed that they be subsumed into this year's budget, and it becomes the first charge of every ministry, every department, and I want to say it should be the case for every county government, so that we can deal with pending bills as a matter of course, not wait until they impoverish people, they cause complications in our budget, and they load us with so much debt.